Today, we're creating something insane. What if Gotham's Dark Knight merged with the most chaotic anti-hero ever? This is Batman meets Dead. I start with pose. I want power and aggression. One arm extended forward, aiming, the other locked and ready. The body slightly twisted to create tension. A dynamic pose instantly makes the drawing more cinematic. Now, I shape the head. The mask is where both personalities collide. I keep the sharp, pointed bat ears to maintain that intimidating silhouette. But the face structure, that's pure Deadpool. Sleek, armored, and expressive even without visible eyes. The eye shapes are crucial. Slight inward angle gives intensity. Too wide, and it loses seriousness. I carefully darken the eye panels to create contrast against the red mask. Now, the chest. This is where the fusion becomes undeniable. Instead of Deadpool's usual logo, I carve in the iconic Bat Emblem. I keep it bold and slightly raised to give it armor depth. The black against the red makes it pop instantly. Next comes armor structure. I don't want it flat. I break it into segments, chest plates, shoulder guards, tactical waist straps. Every line needs purpose. Now, shading begins. Red is tricky. If you shade it with just darker red, it looks flat. So I mix in subtle maroon tones in the shadows and slight orange highlights. Where light hits, this creates metallic depth. Then I move to the guns. Weapons add intensity, but they must look realistic. I add clean perspective lines first. Then I darken the barrel openings to create depth. Small highlights along the edges make them look metallic and solid. Now comes my favorite part. Battle damage. I lightly scratch the surface with thin, irregular lines. Then I add tiny highlights on one side of each scratch and darker tones on the other side. This creates the illusion of chipped armor. Instant realism. Under the arms and along the sides, I deepen the shadows heavily. Contrast is everything. Bright highlights against dark shadows create drama. As he step back, I adjust proportion slightly. Sharpen a few edges. Increase contrast on the Bat Emblem. And suddenly, it's not just a drawing anymore. It feels like a character that could exist in an alternate comic universe. Tactical mercenary with Deadpool's unpredictability and Batman's discipliner. That fusion energy is what makes mashups powerful. You're not just drawing, you're reimagining. If you enjoyed this crossover, hit like, and tell me which two characters I should fuse next. Because on this channel, we don't just draw, we create legends.